Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Lex, your human guide to building digital confidence through tech tools and web design.
We're going to focus on how to create folders. So there's two ways we can create folders. You can either create a folder from the desktop just by right-clicking with your mouse. We're going to drop down list comes, look for the word new, and just select folder. I'm going to name it Lex. Now that's one way. You can also come down to your File Explorer icon just at the bottom. Over to Downloads. Let's try. Click on New, Folder, and click X. If I go to my desktop, the folder I just created is right there. Now let's try creating a subfolder. Just come into my folder name Lex. I would do it the right click way, or you can go over to new, click on select, let's call it subfolder, right? So my main folder called Lex. Inside Lex, I've got my subfolder.